We're looking for a new Chief Executive to join Hywel Dda University Health Board in West Wales.
Rydym yn chwilio am rywun i arwain ein tîm a chyflawni ein gweledigaeth i bawb i'w bywydau iach a llawen.
Someone who is passionate, excited, innovative and committed to helping us on our journey of improvement.
Rydym chwilio am arweinydd profiadol allu'n helpu i fod yn eiddio ffordd ni'n gweithio.
And ensure we continue to provide high quality and sustainable services to our population.
Working to ensure that awyddus services meet the needs of current generation.
And future generations in Carmarthenshire, Ceredigion and Pembrokeshire.
Rwy'n sydd ar gallu i feddwl yn strategol a chanddynt arweinyddiaeth weledigaethol.
Ond sy'n fodlon deall y manylder sydd eisiau.
And roll up their sleeves and help ensure the quality and safety of our patients' experience.
Someone who recognizes the values that our doers, communities of patients and staff bring.
Mae'r gwerth o weithio mewn partneriaeth gyda grwpiau sefydliadau ar draws nghanolbarth a gorllewin Cymru.
We're looking for an exceptional leader who can work alongside our board members and executive team and bring about real change in a challenging environment.
So if you've been excited by what you've just seen and heard from the people who work for us and with us inside the Health Board in West Wales, we would be delighted to hear from you.